back to Hot Car Track Vantastic 2021. NZ Racing. Let's look at our teams tonight. We've got a couple of Aussies, a USA and a Scotland team. Let's get into it.
Looks like Justin A350 has another lightweight van entered. His last one did pretty well, so let's see how this one goes at 40 grams. Good luck to Johnny Boy, driving in outer space.
Next up is Po Boy Racing. He's back on the track and the driver is Stroker Race. This is the Love Shack. This has black fire tyres weighing 100 grams.
And all the way from Scotland at 74 grams, we've got James Elliott driving the Silver Machine, the team Fractal Panda. Good luck, mate.
And back to Australia is KC Customs. Cessie's behind the wheel. This is the Ford Transit. This has got black fire tyres. It's a Hot Wheels weighing 86 grams.
You really have to admire the effort that all these builders are putting into their vans. The looks are amazing, but when it comes to presentation, KC's Custom is just a step above. That's a good looking van, and I really hope it doesn't get scratched up too much in the next few races.
Let's get ready to rock and roll, NZ.
Congratulations there, Po Boy Racing. Well done, mate. It's good to see Stroker Ace in the Love Shack. They're off to the semis.
And also going through from Australia is KC Customs. Cessie's behind the wheel. This is the Ford Transit. I'm telling you, black fire tyres. All you guys are on notice. Watch out.
Yeah, look, I agree, Hot Car Track. Black fire tyres will help in this heat. But you've got some pretty good contenders coming up that don't have them. It's going to be interesting to see the results of some of these heats.
Oh, for sure, NZ, and we've already seen some of them.
Check out this power move out of turn 2 by Sassy. Right past Stroker like he's standing still, in for the win. How cool's that?
It's manoeuvres like that will get you right into the semis and through to the finals.
Oh yeah, nice little 180 at the finish line there by James Elliott, and he's giving old Stroker a wave, eh? Well, that's not a wave.
No, that's not one of the friendly Aussie waves, mate. I'd stay very clear. Before we conclude tonight's racing, we have a sudden death playoff. It's Martin McFrance driving for 100 Proof Racing going up against Don Boomershine for Kaboom Machines. I made a mistake, and let's go into
Sudden Death.
On the inside lane, driving for 100 Proof Racing is Martin McFrance. The vans have been chosen on their last finished position, and on the outside, driving for Kaboom Machines, is Don Boomershine. Good luck, the first across the line heads off to the semi-finals. Here we go. And Marty McFrance, driving for 100 Proof Racing, takes that sudden death playoff out and finds himself heading off to the semi-finals. Congratulations. Unfortunately for Don Boomershine, driving the paramedic van for Kaboom Machines, this is the end of the line for you. That's a wrap on Shorty. Vantastic 2021. Thanks again, NZ. I'll see you back here in Heat 5.